Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the project fish detection and the classification. Here YOLO object model we are going to use for fish detection and uh, CNN model for classification of different fishes and any diseases affected or not. So some of the test videos I have. So here these are all test videos. Okay. So this one be playing. So these are some of the fish videos are available. You can download any fish videos and you can test it. So first of all, already I have trained in Google Colab using yoloV3 object detection, fish object detection. I have trained so that weight matrix we have. After that, so here classification we are not done in using YOLO object detection. Only fish will be detected. So what I did separately, I have extracted the fish after detecting. So those we are going to take as a different data set. Colorful golden. These are all comet goldfish. So like this, we have some of the categories. So this we are going to train using CNN. For that, we are going to use Python 3.7. So I'll copy the path, go to file, open, is the path. So here I have a training code. So in this training code, we have a 7 different target in the sense different categories. So those target I'm going to give and data set path. This path I'm going to give. So using the CNN model, we are going to train it. Okay. So I'll just run this code. And so now I have given number of iteration 50. So it has loaded the images and started training it. I have given 50 epoch. So the training of object is completed. 50 epoch is completed. Here we'll get the training graph. So the data will be split into training and validation. So 70% training, 30% validation. So here number of iteration will be 50. So gradually it will be, the accuracy will be increase. So if you give more than 100 epoch, so you'll get it increase the accuracy. So this is the last graph. Same, it will be, error will be initially more. So every iteration it keep on reduce the error model loss. So this is the ROC curve. So here true positive versus false positive rate. So as of now for this particular data set, we are getting 100% accuracy, and the model will be stored in trained model dnn.h5 file. Okay, so now separately for classification of fishes and the disease, we have trained. Okay, and stored the model. Now I am going to test the object detection code. So here you have to load the YOLO models. as well as video, test video, here classification model. Okay, so then you have to run this. So here directed research will be shown here one by one. So this is the detected fishes. So here number of fishes will be count, and also which type of fish, and if it is any disease available on the fish, based on the movement it will show that. So here you can see, so left side you can see that, so which are all fishes detected, and if any disease is available. For example, here you can see the predicted disease will be anchor worm. Suitable treatment will be remove parasites with the forceps. So some of the treatments they have given here, so you can follow this. So here we can classify, first we can detect the fishes, and we can track the fishes. Based on the tracking result, we are going to predict the disease, and also classifying the different type of fishes. So I will show you another video. So I'll just run it. So there will be a one fish. It's classified as a white margin. You can see this. We'll check another video. This is another video result. Thank you for watching.